You don't lose your rights in a police encounter. You usually give them away, one sentence at a time. In the next few minutes, I'll show you 7 tricks cops use to get you talking, consenting, or stepping into a bad situation, and the simple way to shut each one down. We're attorneys. This isn't about being rude or anti-police. It's about staying calm, staying safe, and not volunteering evidence. We're counting down from number 7 to number 1, and at the end, I'll give you a screenshot script you can save on your phone. Trick number 7 is friendly small talk. Where are you coming from? Where are you headed? What's in the trunk? It sounds casual, but it's information gathering. The clean response is polite and boring. I'm not discussing my day. Then stop filling silence. Trick number 6 is the confession starter. Do you know why I stopped you? If you guess, you might admit to something they didn't even see, or stack extra reasons onto the stop. Your answer should be calm and simple. No, officer. No guessing, no apologizing, no volunteering. Trick number 5 is the consent funnel. First they ask, nothing illegal in the car, right? Then they follow with, so you don't mind if I take a quick look. That's not small talk, it's a shortcut. If you say yes, you just made the search legal. Your line is, I do not consent to any searches. Polite, clear, one time, then silence. Trick number 4 is the warrant flex. If you don't consent, I'll get a warrant. I'll call a dog. We'll be here all day. It's pressure designed to make you panic and give in. The right response isn't arguing, it's boring. I understand. I don't consent. If you believe you have grounds, you can apply for a warrant. Then stop talking. Trick number 3 is the delay game. Some stops get stretched with chit-chat and circles. The longer you talk, the more chances for the officer to claim something new, nervousness, inconsistency, smell, whatever. So after you've provided required documents and the purpose of the stop should be ending, ask calmly, am I free to go? If they say yes, leave. If they say no, treat it seriously and stop talking. Trick number 2 is the doorstep trap, also called a knock and talk. They show up without a warrant, hoping you'll open the door, talk, and step back. Once the door opens, they can claim they saw something, or smelled something, or heard something, and suddenly your home becomes their investigation. The safest move is to keep the door closed and say through the door or camera, I do not consent to entry or search. Do you have a warrant or an emergency? Now, trick number 1, the master key, the 2-lane question. This ends the guessing and forces clarity. Ask, am I being detained or am I free to leave? If you're free, you leave politely. If you're detained, you stop answering questions and you switch to the lawyer script. Here's the script to screenshot and save. Am I being detained or free to leave? I do not consent to any searches. I'm remaining silent. I want a lawyer. Use calm tone, keep your hands visible, comply with lawful commands, and don't physically resist. Laws vary by state. Educational, not legal advice.